And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this multi-dog training system. This is rechargeable and waterproof. Now, I will not be actually showing this to you on a dog, but we're going to unbox this and show you what would come inside of here. They have a few different colors here. It's not marked which one I have, so we'll know in a moment. Nothing else around the box or on the bottom. So let's open it on up. So we got the black one. And so we have a few things. So this is the actual collar. So you just run it through, set it all up, and you would be able to latch this onto your dog with the training collar. Now, this is the part that actually goes onto your dog. So got a nice power button right here on top. Is there any? Wow, there is some charge out of the gate here. Very nice. And so this slides through this to go onto the dog's neck. Now it'll beep, it'll vibrate, and then it can use these to shock. Then we also have a couple of little attachments here. So these essentially screw onto here, so that way if your dog is smaller or larger, you know, they have multiple sizes for you, which is great, I think. And that, I'm guessing, is maybe a charging port, because this is rechargeable. So that must be your charging port. It doesn't use USB-C or anything like that. It has a little proprietary charger. And then there's also little covers that you can put over these as well. So that's essentially it for that part. Then we have the remote here. So this is what you would use. You got your controls here to turn things up and down. Wow, it's already powered on. And then this button will make it beep. This button will make it vibrate. And this one will make it shock. Of course, that one has a lightning bolt. That's how you know. And then there's even a little hook down here for a wrist strap, which is pretty nice. Here is the included charger. As you can see, it's a special proprietary charger. So one of these plugs into that. The other one plugs into here on the bottom to charge this. And you're able to charge both of these through one little USB-A cable. Then there's also this, which I will say at this moment, I don't know what that is. And plastic, there's your wrist strap for your remote. And then that's it for the box, other than the instructions. So these are the included instructions. These will tell you everything about it, everything on the screen, what it all means, etc. All very, very helpful info that'll tell you exactly how to use this with your dog. There is also a little warning on the collar, as well as charging the collar. And so essentially that's everything that comes inside of this rechargeable and waterproof multi-dog training system. And that should essentially do it for this video. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.